Hey, welcome back, everybody. Here we are in northwest Wisconsin. It's now May 7th. Things are getting real green. Got lots and lots of dandelions. I guess that means there's nectar flow going on. And we're gonna go inside here and check out these two hives. Hive 1 here and Hive 2 were installed exactly 4 weeks ago. So this is our 4-week checkup. We're gonna go through and do a hive inspection and see what's going on. Yeah, we still got some syrup in there, sugar water, a few bees. I'll give them a smoke here to let them know that we're going to come in here and be bugging them for a little bit. And we'll try and push some of these bees out of this feeder. Ooh, they didn't like that. Pretty loud today. Well, they've been pretty busy. Sorry, little girl. Looks like she got squished. Looks like they pretty much took care of this pollen patty. One thing I want to note when you're cleaning up your frames, your sugar water, with comb, pollen patty, make sure you throw it all away. Don't leave it laying around by the beehive. It'll attract all kinds of unwanted visitors. The very first frame, didn't expect to see much, but it does look like they're drawing out some comb. And a lot of bees looking at me. Here we've got a lot of drawn comb. I'm seeing eggs, see some capped honey, a lot of pollen. I already have eggs on my second frame in. That's interesting. I'm thinking this hive might need some room here real shortly. Oh, that's a frame of bees. And we've got some capped honey, we've got eggs, we've got capped brood, we've got pollen. Wow, look how bright this one is. And here you can see there's some of the eggs are starting to turn into larvae. Capped brood and honey. Excuse me, little girls. This is a solid frame of brood. And it looks like some of them have hatched already. And they're being backfilled with eggs. And we've got honey and pollen. Another full frame of brood, or the other side of this frame is full of brood. Frames are sticking together here with honey and propolis. Here again we got more cap brood, lots of pollen, lots of nectar, lots of eggs in the very bottom. This side we got capped honey, capped brood, tons of pollen. Lots and lots of pollen. And some burr comb going on the bottom down there. Go ahead and remove this so it doesn't become a nuisance in the future. Here again we got cap brood, larvae, pollen, eggs, honey. Wow, looking very, very nice. Still no queen, but I know she's there. We're seeing eggs on every frame except for the outside one. Another nice frame of brood. Pollen, larvae. There's one with pollen on his legs doing the wiggle dance. Lots of cap brood. And again we're seeing the same thing, more cap brood, more pollen, more honey. Lots and lots of larvae in this one. Cap brood, honey, pollen, larvae. All different stages of larvae in the bottom there. Oh, and there's our queen. Here she is, right here. Boy, she is a big, big girl. Wow. And these cells are all packed with eggs. That is great. It's great to see you. Get her right back in here. was awesome. She has grown, I'm going to guess, twice in her size since I installed this package 4 weeks ago. That queen was tiny, and she is super big now. Oh, hi, little girl. You're the first one to land on me. Super gentle bees. Wow, and this last frame is actually about 3/4 drawn out. So it looks like I might need to add some more space to this hive. I was told 70% frames drawn out. That's about the time you want to add another box to them and add another deep. And I'm seeing about right around 70% filled out. So I'm thinking next couple days I'm going to be adding some more room to this colony. It looks like they need it. And also I'm still running on the smallest setting for my entrance reducer because it is still kind of chilly and it is a new hive. But they are doing very well, so I'm wondering if I should be opening that up too. Anybody got any comments or ideas as to how to keep this hive growing and growing? Here you can see my entrance reducer. I think that's it for this inspection. I'm going to go ahead and cover these girls back up. Make sure that they can go back to doing what they want to do instead of being bugged by me. I think they have enough water for a few more days. I think I'm going to be coming back to add that box, so I'm not going to top off their sugar water. I'm just going to clean it out good and refill it. Alright, well thanks for watching everybody. Again, if you like what you're seeing or curious to see the development of these two hives, I will post a video every week, so please subscribe. Thanks, take care.